When most people envision retirement, they picture a life of relaxation, adventure, and freedom from the daily grind of work. The image is often one of leisurely mornings, travel, and spending quality time with loved ones. However, the reality for many retirees is quite different from this idyllic vision. Behind the scenes, retirees often grapple with a range of hidden struggles that aren't always apparent to those around them. One of the most pervasive myths about retirement is that it's a seamless transition into a carefree lifestyle. Society frequently portrays retirement as a golden period of ease and pleasure, where financial security and health are never concerns. Yet, this idealized view doesn't always align with reality. For many retirees, the transition can be fraught with unexpected challenges and difficulties. Financial instability is one of the most pressing issues retirees face. Many people enter retirement expecting their savings and investments to provide a comfortable living. However, unforeseen expenses can quickly deplete their financial resources. Medical emergencies, unexpected home repairs, and fluctuations in the market can all create financial strain. Additionally, retirees may find that their fixed income, such as Social Security or pensions, is insufficient to maintain their pre-retirement standard of living. This financial pressure can lead to significant stress and anxiety, affecting their overall quality of life. Moreover, retirees often face challenges related to managing their assets. The decisions surrounding withdrawing from retirement accounts, handling taxes, and managing investments can be complex and stressful. The fear of outliving their savings can result in cautious spending, which may prevent retirees from fully enjoying their retirement years. Another significant challenge is the emotional and social adjustment that comes with retirement. For many individuals, work was more than just a means to earn a living. It was a major part of their identity and daily routine. The transition from a busy work life to a more relaxed retirement can result in a profound sense of loss. Retirees might struggle with a diminished sense of purpose and find it difficult to fill the void left by their careers. The daily interactions with colleagues, which once provided social engagement and a sense of belonging, are no longer a part of their lives. This can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness, as retirees often find themselves without the same social network they had in the workplace. The lack of daily structure can also contribute to feelings of purposelessness. Many retirees find it challenging to create a new routine that provides a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Without the goals and deadlines of work, it can be difficult to establish new objectives and stay motivated. This sense of aimlessness can affect retirees' mental health and overall well-being. Health issues become more pronounced in retirement, adding another layer of complexity. As people age, managing chronic health conditions and dealing with new health problems becomes increasingly common. The lack of a structured daily routine and reduced physical activity can contribute to a decline in both physical and mental health. Retirees may face challenges such as weight gain, decreased mobility, and mental health concerns like depression and anxiety. The abrupt change in daily life can exacerbate these issues, making it harder to maintain overall well-being. The emotional impact of health problems can be profound. Chronic illness or disability can affect a retiree's independence and self-esteem, leading to feelings of frustration or helplessness. It's essential for retirees to seek support, whether through medical professionals, support groups, or mental health resources, to manage these changes effectively. Adjusting to a new lifestyle post-retirement can be a complex process. The shift from a regimented work schedule to a more flexible, unstructured daily routine can be disorienting. Many retirees find it difficult to establish a new routine that provides structure and a sense of purpose. Without the framework that work once provided, retirees might struggle to find meaningful activities and interests that give their days a sense of direction. This can lead to a lack of motivation and a feeling of aimlessness. Despite these challenges, there are ways retirees can navigate this transition more effectively. Financial planning is crucial for ensuring that retirement savings are managed wisely and can cover unexpected expenses. Seeking advice from financial professionals can help retirees create a budget and plan for future financial needs. In addition, maintaining social connections is vital. Retirees can benefit from engaging in community activities, joining clubs or groups, and staying in touch with friends and family. These social interactions can help combat feelings of loneliness and provide a sense of community and belonging. Health and wellness should also be a priority. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and routine medical checkups are essential for maintaining good health. Engaging in hobbies, volunteer work, or part-time employment can provide a sense of purpose and help retirees stay mentally and physically active. Finding new interests and setting goals can help retirees create a fulfilling and enjoyable retirement experience. Additionally, exploring new ways to stay engaged and productive can be beneficial. Many retirees find satisfaction in learning new skills, taking up new hobbies, or pursuing passions that were put on hold during their working years. Volunteering or part-time work can offer not only financial benefits, but also a renewed sense of purpose and social interaction. In summary, retirement, while often seen as a reward for years of hard work, can come with its own set of challenges. The transition can be difficult and requires careful planning and adjustment. Understanding these hidden struggles and taking proactive steps can help retirees create a more balanced and satisfying retirement. By addressing financial, emotional, and health-related issues openly and seeking support where needed, retirees can work towards making the most of this new chapter in their lives. Retirement doesn't have to be a time of struggle. With the right approach and support, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling period of life.